So today is going to be fix up day. It's going to be the first part of my fixing up my Hitachi stereo system that we picked up for free. If you didn't see the video, there's a picture of the link to the video here, and if I remember, I'll put a link in the description or in the comments. But yeah, we picked up this stereo for free. We had a look around it, we looked over it, and nothing works. Nothing works on this stereo. So I bought some belts. I actually bought two lots of belts. I bought the belts for the tape player, and I bought the belts for the record player turntable. So I thought, turntable's got to be the easiest one to fix, yeah? So let's start with that. Let's fix the turntable. Let's get into it. So I'm looking, when we checked the turntable out, it turns out there's no belts. So let's just take the glass off so I don't break it. Now at the end of when we've finished everything and everything's working, I'll clean it up then. But until then, let's just get things working. So there's nothing holding this on, and that just pops off. There's no circlip, it just goes straight on there. And here we have the motor on this side, which was working, and the turntable where the belt goes. And I got this belt from AliExpress, so what could go wrong? Let's open this up and take a look without cutting the belt, hopefully. It's really well packaged. Let's get into it. And there we have the belt. Will it fit around here? Yep, it fits around that. It fits quite loosely. I'll try and keep the belt as neat as I can. I've never changed a belt before, so I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. Probably not. No, probably not. So let's put the belt on there. Put it on and... Nope. How do you do this? How do you change belts? There must be a technique here. Put it around there, and let's keep a little bit of tension on it, eh? And then strap it on, and then over. Well, that's too loose. That is obviously not the correct belt. Just feels too loose. But let's plug it in and try it. See if it turns. Oh, it's turning. Did it come off? No. Maybe it does work. So what I'll have to do, I'll have to plug the speaker into the amplifier, and then we'll see if we can get some sound out of the speaker. and we'll see if it runs slow or fast. The belt does feel really, really slack, so we'll come back in a minute and I'll set it up with the amp. Okay, so it's together. I've got it plugged in, I've got the speakers on, and yeah, it doesn't work very well. So let's just, what do you guys think? Can you tell me? It seems really, really light on the needle, as if there's no weight on the needle. That's terrible. Really, 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 really not very good. It's like there's no weight, as if it just feels so light on the needle. I wonder if there's a way of adjusting. Unless it needs a new needle. I do actually have the manual for this, so let's have a look at the manual and see what that says. So here's the manual, and yep, it says the motor pulley is on. No, I didn't ground it, but it should work without grounding. How to remove the stylus. Oh, the anti-skate is fixed. There you go. The anti-skate is fixed at the optimum level. You can replace the cartridge with any plug-in connector type cartridge. 14p on the market. 14p is the universal mark for plug-in connector type cartridges, and you are safe to use any plug-in connector type cartridge that carries that mark. Remove the screw that holds the cartridge with a small screwdriver. Hold the tone arm and pull out the cartridge. There we go. Flat head. So let's take that out and have a look at the cartridge, because the sound is pretty awful. Although it does work, it does rotate. It does feel like the right speed, even though the belt feels really loose. It said it was the right belt for this player. And there's not a lot of needle left on that. In fact, there is no needle. I'll do a close-up for you. So what do you think? Think we need a new cartridge? I think we'll have to order a new cartridge and come back to it once more. But yeah, the belt works at least, and it does skid a little, but I think with a new cartridge it might select the groove a little bit better. So let's see what we can do. Next time we come back to this, I've got to look at the tape player, and that's going to be a complete nightmare. Anyway, till next time.